Kung naghahanap kayo ng affordable single detached house here in Cavite, please continue to watch this video. And in front of me guys is our single detached actual turnover unit. So let's go. So guys, this is your parking space, no? And that is your main door. Magtatanim po ng isang puno dyan as mentioned by the developer para greenery yung ating surroundings, no? And if you will be getting a corner unit, you still have an extra space here. Okay, so pasensya na medyo ingay lang, no? Kasi ongoing yung construction. So i-check natin yung loob. Dito na lang tayo dadaan sa may gilid kasi sarado yung main door. Okay, so this is your service area guys, and you have here your access going to your kitchen. Okay, so this is your kitchen and that is part of the turnover na, and that is your living area. It's cute. And you have here your toilet, no? Pwedeng gawin yan yung toilet and bath. Okay. Take a look. Ayan, let's check natin sa taas. Let's go. Sa second floor guys, pwede tayo maglagay ng dalawang bedrooms. But upon turnover, no? Naka-open layout lang siya. Ayan. So, this is the second floor. And you have here your toilet. And this is your bath. Or parang isang bedroom lang ata kaya dito. Anyway, so depende na lang yun kung paano natin i-layout yung second floor. And this is your veranda. Yun ang quadruplex guys. Okay, so check natin yung third floor. Let's go. So sa third floor, kaya niya dalawang bedrooms. So this is good for family, no? Na nagsisimula pa lang o gusto magkaroon ng bahay. Mababa lang yung down payment nito guys. So if you are interested, comment down below or message us through Viber, WhatsApp, or Telegram. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!